Hey all, Wild here. I hope you're staying safe while you're at home. And while you're at home, you're probably a little bit bored and you probably want to start doing more content creation and streaming, which means you need gear. And right now, things are really expensive and a lot of things are sold out, which really sucks, but it's all right. I got a little awesome answer for you. As some of you know, I work with Streamlabs quite closely on some of their videos, and we were trying to think of something cool to do for the Valorant beta release and everything like that. And the answer we came up with was, hey, let's do a giveaway with a gaming keyboard, a gaming headset, and a gaming mouse, and a full package overlay of themes and assets and widgets. And that's what I'm here to tell you about is you get the opportunity to win a Pro X gaming keyboard, you get to win a Pro X gaming headset, and you get to win a Logitech G502 Gaming Hero mouse. All perfect for upgrading your stream to have better content creation and heck, maybe just have a little more fun while you're gaming. Cool part is you also get some overlay assets if you're looking for something to upgrade your stream with the Valorant style if you plan on streaming that. Best part about it is it's all free. That's right, 100% free. You don't need to buy or really do anything. All you really need to do is go to the link down below, click through that and put your information down on Streamlabs' page so that way you get entered in for one lucky winner to win all this awesome Logitech bundle and Streamlabs stuff. And I wanted to just let you guys know that you should do it. There's no catch, no nothing. I don't get anything from it. It's all about helping you become bigger and better, which is what I want for you because things are really expensive right now. Now, that's pretty much all for the video. I just wanted to say, hey, enter the raffle. Please stay safe. I hope you're dominating and crushing out there with your streams and content creation, and of course, staying safe. So until next time, everyone, take care, and of course, peace.